Hello student, good morning. Today we are going to continue our previous chapter. Which one? From history, chapter number 2, Kings and Kingdoms. New Kings and Kingdoms. We have already studies about how the kings and their kingdoms emerged. That after the death of the Guptas, main three kingdoms had been emerged. That the first one is Rajputas, second Gurjar Pratihara, and third Pals. We have already discussed about these 3 points. Okay, all of you open your page number 28, and today we will studies about the tripartite struggles. Tripartite struggle means, here we can easily understand that tri means three parties. Which one? Three parties has been struggle. First one, Gurjar Pratihara, second Rajputas, and third Pals. All these three rulers often fight for control over the Kannauj. You know that the Kannauj at present situated in the UP cities. That time Kannauj is very important for these three rulers. Why? Because this terrain is very fertile region, and due to the fertility of these region, these three parties always fight to control over Kannauj. And why Kannauj is the fertility area? Because it was plain areas, and also here is Ganga Valley, and that's why there were three parties in this long conflict. Historians describe it as the tripartite. It means three parties struggle among to control over the Kannauj. But you know that if all these three parties very strong, then what happened? That no one control over the other. No one can win the battle. That's why victory of one king over the other did not last very long. You know that if अगर दो लड़ रहे हैं तो दो के बीच में किसको फ़ायदा होता है? Which one get benefit? Third party. And here is three party already, and तीनों लड़ रहे थे एक दूसरे से. और लास्टली क्या हुआ? These kingdom were so busy in fighting among themselves, they did not realize how weak they had all become. ये लोग ये रियलाइज़ नहीं कर पाए कि कैसे ये लोग वीक होते जा रहे हैं, तीनों पार्टी. Around the end of the 10th century AD, these power declined almost simultaneously. धीरे धीरे इस तरह से इनका जो पार्टी का ये पावर था, ये क्या हो गया? धीरे धीरे डिक्लाइन होने लगा, धीरे धीरे ख़त्म होने लगा. अदर डायनेस्टी फिर हुआ, निश्चित है फिर दूसरा डायनेस्टी, दूसरा रूलर्स फिर इसके ऊपर कवर कर लेंगे, कब्जा कर लेंगे, came into existence for their over their territories. Most of these dynasties were Rajput. It means these three parties always fight to control over Kannauj, and after their power were declining, that the which one get benefited? Rajputas. Most of these dynasty were Rajput, or after these three parties Rajput came into existence. Rajput are well known for their bravery, honor and prestige in Indian history. Some of the famous Rajput dynasty, which one? The Gahadwals of Kannauj, Paramars of Malwa, Chandels of Khajuraho, Chauhans of Ajmer, Kalachuri of Tripuri, Chaluk of Gujarat and Tomars of Delhi. These dynasty, these Rajput were rule over these terrains. Come to the next point, the Chahmanas or Chauhans. Same word. Some books had been written in the Chahmanas and some Chauhans, but is two word is same, meaning same. The Chahmanas were later known. After some time, Chahmanas were known as the Chauhans. This dynasty was found by the Gupkut in the 11th century AD. The Chauhan ruled over the region around Delhi and Ajmer. Which Chauhan ruler was very famous? Prithviraj III, AD 1168 to 1192. And the Prithviraj Chauhan was the greatest ruler of these dynasty, Chauhan dynasties. He ascended the throne of Ajmer at the age of only 14 years and made many conquests. It means many area was covered by the Prithviraj III. He conquered many small states of Rajasthan, Bundelkhand. His achievement and exploit have been described by his court poet. Which was court poet? Chand Bardai. In his famous book written by his poet Prithviraj Rashtra. In AD 1911, he defeated an Afghan ruler, Prithviraj III, defeated the Afghan ruler Sultan Muhammad Ghori in the first battle, and in the second battle, just after 1 year, 1192, he lost to Prithviraj Chauhan, lost to, and this defeat resulted in the foundation of Islam rule in India. And that time Muhammad Ghori defeated the Prithviraj, and these defeat, this result in the foundation of Islam, Muslim in India. We have already mentioned that there were many famous Rajput kingdoms during this period. They were always fighting with each other. Why they were fighting? For supremacy. These battles made them weak. If all the rulers were engaged to fighting, engaged to rule over the other country, tried to capture the other rulers' area, then their power were decline, ख़त्म होते जाएगा धीरे धीरे इनका पावर. And that's why they could not neither defend themselves individually nor unite against the Turkish invasion. It means कि वो ना खुद को डिफेंड कर सके और ना ही वो यूनाइट हो सके टर्की के अफ़गान के अगेंस्ट. ओके, in next class we will discuss about the Turkish invasion. Okay, thank you.